Hey guys, welcome to Quick Guide. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can update all apps on your Android devices. Nowadays we can see the app updates notification on our phones saying your app needs updates. If you don't have any idea about why your app needs updates so frequently, then you have come to the right video. Once you update an app, it improves the security of your device, which protects your personal information. Without the updates, the app you have won't work as smooth as they can, and your entire device may become sluggish. In addition, you may experience some issues such as app crashing or random restarts of the phone. If some apps on your device are out of date, hackers can make the use of the outdated design. As a result, they are able to hack your phone and steal your personal information. But not just that, they can also send fake messages on your behalf. They can get the access to your emails and documents, or even use your payment accounts. So if you want to prevent this, just update the apps and get the latest versions. Sometimes app developers will release updates to fix bugs, make improvements, or just give a general tune-up. Keeping your apps updated is the best way to make sure you always have the latest feature and the best performance. Now, in order to update all your apps on your mobile device, first you need to go and tap onto the Play Store. Once you do that, you need to log into your Google account and your page will look something like this. Then you can go to the top right corner and tap onto the profile icon. So as you can see, various options available. Go to the Manage Apps and Device and tap on it. On this Manage Apps and Device page, you can see the overview for your applications. In here you can see the Updates Available option. Tap on it to see which apps need updates. Once you tap on it, you can see various apps appear on your screen which needs update. So you can go to each app and tap on update individually to update your apps manually. Or you can just tap to update all in order to update all of these apps once in your mobile device. Once you do that, you will get an auto update notification on your screen. Now here you can see the auto update has been disabled for Netflix on my Android device. So if I like to proceed with the update regardless, I like to go and tap on yes. So once you tap on it, you can see all the apps that need updates on your mobile phone will start updating itself. It doesn't require too much of your time or effort. It is just a straightforward process. Now once you have updated all of your apps, you can enjoy using your apps with new features running on your better performance, no third-party issues, fixed bugs, and improved security system. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching that video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.